Looking for the best three-wheel scooters that are safe, stylish, and fun? You've come to the right place. Our channel shares quality videos every day to help you discover the best products for your lifestyle. Stick around as we explore the top picks that combine smooth rides with durability, perfect for kids and adults alike. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss our latest reviews. Number 1. Micro, Mini, and Maxi Deluxe. With gorgeous colors, Swiss quality design, and a smooth, quiet ride, the Micro kickboard scooters are our hands-down favorite toddler scooters. While more expensive than other options on our list, Micro's reputation for unmatched quality and durability makes them worth the investment. If you want the best three-wheel scooter available, these are it. The adjustable height handlebar is easy to use and offers 9.5 plus of continuous adjustability, more than any other toddler scooter we tested. This gives micro scooters one of the longest fit ranges as your child grows. Min-max handlebar height, 21.5 inches to 31 inches, 26.25 inches to 35.75 inches. LED lights, light-up wheels available in some models, see below. Features: exceptional quality, smooth ride, adjustable height handlebars, large variety of color options, ... Number 2. GoTrax KS1 and KS3. The GoTrax KS1 and KS3 are essentially the same scooter, with the KS3 adding a foldable seat. Both models include LED light-up wheels and a generous handlebar range of 26 inches to 34 inches, giving them one of the widest fits among budget scooters. While not as finely tuned as higher-end models, the GoTrax scooters deliver solid value at an affordable price. Wunging. For families wanting a scooter with a seat, the KS3's foldable option is handy, but not perfect. The seat locks into place when upright, and while older testers could press the small button to release it, younger toddlers often found it frustrating when switching between seated and standing modes. Adjusting or removing the seat is also less user-friendly than other models, since both require tools. Parents who want quick transitions may find this cumbersome. Features: adjustable height handlebars, 3 settings, light-up wheels. Number 3. LaScooter 2-in-1. The LaScooter 2-in-1 is a solid scooter with no major drawbacks, but it also doesn't have any standout features that set it apart. Its overall quality is on par with other scooters in this price range, but compared to models like the Retrospect Chipmunk Plus or GoTrax KS3, the LaScooter falls short in one key area: the seat. Instead of folding up, the seat must be fully removed before the scooter can be used in standing mode. That said, the LaScooter does offer nearly 9 inches of handlebar height adjustment, giving it one of the widest growth ranges among budget scooters. The seat is also easy to remove without tools, which parents will appreciate. Smooth steering, light-up wheels, and a wide range of color options make it a fun and functional choice for kids. Cons: handlebars sit very high in seated mode, awkward for most toddlers. Handlebar adjustment knob can be hard to fully tighten. Seat does not fold. Deck lacks grip or rubber traction. Number 4. Bessry Turbo Plus Kick Scooter. The Bessry Turbo Plus is one of the more unique three-wheeled scooters we tested thanks to its wider set front wheels. This design has its trade-offs. It feels a little less maneuverable at slower speeds, but much more stable at higher speeds. As a result, our more experienced riders loved it, while beginners tended to prefer the smoother, more intuitive handling of the Micro. If the Micro isn't in your budget, and you think your child will be more of a speed demon, the Bessry is a solid choice. With tons of color options, a foldable handlebar for easy transport and storage, and brighter than average LED wheels, it's a fun and practical option for families. Max handlebar height, 23.5 to 33 inches, LED lights, light-up wheels. Features: foldable, no assembly required, slightly wider base for support, easy-to-use adjustment lever. Number 5. Hurdle Scooter. The Hurdle Scooter comes in a wide range of fun colors and includes both bright LED wheels and a foldable seat. Unfortunately, During testing, its performance didn't hold up against other scooters at the same price point. Steering felt more difficult, the ride was clunkier, and overall, it lacked the smoothness and ease of use we expect in a good toddler scooter. While it looks appealing and has some convenient features, there are simply better performing scooters on this list, often at a lower cost. Multicolor wheel lights. Enjoy the excitement of our three-wheel scooters for kids, featuring bright LED turning wheel lights. These lights come in various colors, ensuring your kick scooter stands out wherever you go.